Let's learn how to use the test dashboard in Paradime's Radar Suite. This robust tool provides a comprehensive view of your DBT test results, enabling your team to monitor, analyze, and enhance data testing practices to uphold the integrity and reliability of your data pipelines. The test dashboard has two primary sections, Overview and Detailed. We'll explore each section and their key features in depth. We'll begin with the Overview section, which offers a high-level summary of the current test results. Initially, you'll see an overview of the tests that have passed, tests that have thrown warnings, tests with errors, and failed tests within the selected date range that you have chosen. Following this, the daily DBT test monitoring chart tracks daily test outcomes categorized by pass, fail, error, and warning. This view can be used to identify trends or recurring issues and investigate days with higher rates of non-passing tests to address potential data quality problems. Next, a table showing the current error, warning, and failed test results offers a more in-depth view of all your non-passing tests. The search term field can be used to filter your desired results, and all the information provided can be utilized to prioritize tests that impact critical models or have high row counts. At the bottom, the top 10 models with the highest number of warning tests are highlighted. This information can be used to prioritize troubleshooting efforts and address recurring issues in models that fail frequently. Moving on to the detailed section. Here, you can conduct a more in-depth analysis of individual models and their test results. You can select your desired date range and filter, say, down by individual models, and the dashboard will update accordingly. The test results composition chart provides a breakdown of pass, warning, fail, and error outcomes for a specific model. The test pass rate is a valuable tool that allows us to track the pass rate of a model's test over time. Similarly, the daily pass rate chart provides a timeline of the pass rate of a test. Furthermore, the test execution status over time chart offers a unique perspective by showing the frequency of test statuses. This includes pass, fail, error, and warn outcomes over time. This data can be used to identify patterns in test performance, enabling us to adjust our testing strategies as needed. Another useful tool is the test results by column chart. This provides a column-level breakdown of test results, displaying pass, failed, errored, and warn outcomes. This information is crucial in identifying problematic columns and allows us to focus our data quality efforts where they are needed most. The daily impacted rows chart reveals the number of rows affected by non-passing tests each day. This information can help us understand the impact of failing or warning tests and assess potential downstream effects on data consumers. Lastly, we have the current test statuses overview. This provides more in-depth information on individual tests. Moreover, we can use the drop-down to see the code that caused the test to fail. This allows us to better understand and rectify any issues that may arise.